The awards in this room are mostly from the last 10 years, 2010 to 2020. There are medals and there are trophies. This is a course record that I'm quite proud of. Can you find me in that picture? Lots more medals here. More trophies. This is the only time I've had bib number 1. This was for Try the Wildwoods in 2016. As I ran by people on the run, I said, "Look out, here comes number 1." This trophy is meaningful because of all the times that my wife Kathy and I were on the Ocean City, New Jersey boardwalk back when we were in our teens. And this was a trophy from a run in Ocean City, and it consists of the wood from the old boardwalk. This trophy is most meaningful to me. This was from my first triathlon, and our son Bill flew in and took part in the triathlon with me and ran me into the finish line. What a memory. These are all my swim caps from all of my triathlons. The previous video showed all of my swim caps from my triathlons, and this one is going to be a lot of bib numbers that I've accumulated throughout the years. These are for running, they're from triathlons, they're from kayak races, they're from bicycle races, they're for all kinds of stuff. But there are 3 of them that are specifically and particularly meaningful to me, and that's these 3 right here. On the left there is the bib number from my first marathon in Georgia, Atlanta, done with my son Bill. And the next 2 are the goofy challenges that my son Bill and I did together. And those are really so meaningful to me. The rest of these, each of them has its own meaning. They're pretty amazing. But finally, they're reaching the end of their time being collected by me. So I'm going to get rid of them. They're memorialized now in this little video clip. Bye-bye, bib numbers. These are some of the awards that we keep down in Naples, Florida, where we do our winners. There's some photos from a half-distance duathlon I did. Back hiding behind there is from the Miami Beach half marathon when I was 70 years old, and I beat everybody over 60 that day. That was a pretty good day. 50K age group trophy there, triathlon. The baseball is from a race up in the Tampa Bay area. The Liberty Bell obviously is from the Philadelphia half marathon. And the coconut is for a Naples race. This is an overflow area for awards, mugs and glasses from various races. Here we have the trophy room in the small bathroom in our Naples place. Various Disney events are on there. We've got a half marathon in Detroit right there, Hog Trot down in Key West. More Disney honors. I really like this one here because the only award I've ever had, I think, that said champion on it. Rock and roll one is from Las Vegas. A couple ribbons from Hill Runs in Marco Island. And that little tiny thing there is from the 7-mile bridge run. Another ribbon, and that's from Bethany Beach, which is in Delaware, but somehow the medal for that came down to Florida.